It's a wonderful evening here at the Andrews home. Getting ready for Daddy to come home, cooking dinner.
Hey!
Hey, honey, how are you?
Where's the girls?
I don't know.
Let's go!
Oh my goodness, there is some paranormal activity over in this area. Does everyone see it? I can see it right here, a little bit over there. Daddy, I really need a straw. Can you come get a straw for me? Are you really scared?
Hey, Mom.
What? What are these ghosts doing?
Hey, that's not a ghost.
No.
What are these ghosts doing?
Wait a second, Mama. Mama! Hey!
You get that, Daddy.
Ah, give me some ghost.